Hey everyone, Jeff McDowell, the Bald Guy here to bring you a video tour on this 2023 Cadillac XT5. Cool mid-size SUV. You got this nice deep metallic up front. There's a clear mask. A little bit of just some tree sap that'll easily clean off. Front end is in good shape. I'm not seeing excessive pitting or any curb mat or curb rash. Wheels are in good shape. Look down the side, I'm not noticing any dents or dings. Let's take a look at the interior. We have tinted front windows and this two-tone interior with some wood trim. I am picking up on a little bit of from like the AC. We probably just need to get the cabin filter replaced. Get rear heated seats, panoramic sunroof. There's some light scratches that should buff out on this, so nothing big. There's your rear wheel. Cool little shape towards the back. Kind of that signature for Cadillac. And then what I did notice is this cool little rack system that you can adjust to help hold things, keep from moving around in the cargo area. Kind of Alteza style tail lamp. Here's your driver rear. Look down the driver's side. Also free dents and dings. The Bose audio system. Seats aren't showing excessive wear and tear to them. You'll see that we're just under 26,000 miles. Of course, the full GM infotainment system, heated and ventilated seats with climate control, and then quick access to all of our stuff. And we do have 2 keys as well. So definitely a fun little car, great size for the city, plenty of room. Got a little bit of curb rash on that front wheel. But let me know your thoughts on this, any other questions that you have, and see if we can get together and go for a test drive. Take care.